Scholars Academy is a unique school where we celebrate the many different communities and diverse groups.
Kids from all across the school district who come from very strong backgrounds academically, socially, emotionally, mature students can go to schools with like-minded children from any background in any neighborhood. We engage our students in a conversation about what the values are, and we celebrate those values, and we reward those values.
All of our uniqueness creates an incredible taste of flavor. We're very proud that we've been able to create that with Mr. O'Connell, myself, and the staff.
It's just such a wonderful experience every day. I come from a long way away in Manhattan, and I look forward to getting here every morning and starting my day.
The United States eastern seaboard is battening down the hatches as Hurricane Sandy is set to slam into the area. It's expected to reach the city of New York on Monday, with forecasters predicting it could be the biggest storm to strike the mainland.
We had power outage for 2 weeks, so we had to live without all power in a house with a newborn for 2 weeks during that storm. It was just a crazy, scary time.
I remember watching the weather reports. We were contemplating if we should evacuate.
Starting tomorrow at 5 p.m., a ban on any gatherings of 500 people or more.
See, that's the thing about scholars. Students, staff, doesn't matter. You're part of the scholars community. You have an inherent strength about you. You have this resilience behind you that really allows you to push through anything, whether it be something as everyday as a quiz or as life-changing as a hurricane.
It is up to you to take advantage of every opportunity that is presented to you. Put yourself out there, get involved, both inside and outside of the classroom. Make new friends, get to know your teachers, and participate in extracurricular activities. Don't wait for things to be handed to you or to happen for you. Don't leave things to chance. Don't ever take anything for granted. Appreciate the experiences, opportunities, and most of all, the people around you every minute.